Hey friends, Rachel here with Survival of Fatigue. There are 20 conditions total I found so far that you can be tested for that perfectly imitate the symptoms we get with having ME.CFS. So welcome to part 3, and we're looking into conditions 11 through 15, so let's dive in. 11. MCAS, Mast Cell Activation Syndrome. ME.CFS and MCAS kind of share a lot, as does everything else in this list. Fatigue, fevers, weird triggers, hot flashes, irregular heartbeat, low blood pressure, vertigo, brain fog, depression, insomnia, hives, arthritis, muscle or bone pain, anaphylaxis, and gut issues, including like having low iron or vitamin levels. To test for MCAS, you want to I didn't know there was a test like this. I actually have to do this one still. Test with blood or 24-hour urine for tryptase, histamine, prostaglandin D2 levels during a flare. Yeah, don't miss this one. Number 12, Lyme disease. Okay, Lyme disease, from tick bites. This mimics ME.CFS with fatigue, fever. It also has a bullseye rash that shows up about 3 weeks post-tick bite. Now, most will recover with antibiotics, but symptoms can linger afterwards. Now, don't let this hide. Get a blood test for Lyme antibodies, or they can do a cerebral spinal fluid test if it's gotten into your nervous system. If you don't actually use the antibiotics, that can actually cause ME.CFS too. The brain fog is getting to me. And the back pain. Sippy. Lucky number 13. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, brings extreme fatigue, weight gain, cold sensitivity, dry skin, dry hair, depression, constipation. Yeah, all ME.CFS lookalikes. And it's super common. You want to have your blood tested for TSH, T3, and T4 to catch it early. I actually got hypothyroid a few years after I was diagnosed with ME.CFS. So it's also something you just want to keep your eye on. My back. Feeling a bit foggy right now. No shame. We all get the brain fog. Pause, take a little break, and when you come back, don't forget to comment below a little smiley face for me. It makes my day. Okay. 14, vitamin deficiencies. So look, if you see a TikToker bouncing around saying, I cured my ME.CFS with diet. Yeah, they probably had a vitamin deficiency. Vitamin deficiencies cause fatigue, muscle weakness, confusion, skin issues, pain. Honestly, this should be your doctor's first test when you complain of fatigue. A simple blood work can easily find low vitamin levels, and it's creepy nowadays in modern society how often a lot of people's fatigue and brain fog is caused literally just by vitamin deficiencies. Number 15, trauma and severe depression. Okay, so most of these scammy ME.CFS gurus that I've run into, this is what they actually had. Anyone that has literally cured themselves with positive thinking, it's because of this. Depression can literally make you bedbound, aka bed rotting, brain foggy, but also sleepless. But here's the thing, the cause is different than with us. And I made a whole video on this that you might want to watch. For this one, I highly recommend you see a therapist specialized in trauma. Not just any therapist is helpful. I know this from experience myself. And it's really a tricky thing because ME.CFS can cause depression too. And not to mention the frickin' what we deal with doctors and family and all that can cause trauma. So is it the chicken or the egg sometimes? Better to go get help for it and just see if you get better. Maybe half of it is from real ME.CFS and half of it is from trauma. If you get help with one, it'll make it at least somewhat better, right? Worth a try. Whew, there's only 5 more to go. And when it's up, part 4 will be right here for you to click on next. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you there. Keep on surviving, my friends.